Welcome to the day 18th of hip hop dance course. In this lesson we will learn step, BIZ, MARKEY and window. So without wasting any time we will jump on our tutorial. Let's get started. So it will be our first step named window. For this step we have to stand in V-step angle like this and do crab step like this. Try a little fast. Now do this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, again and same with other side 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this is our leg movement. Now we'll add some body grooves. Just rock side to side when you do count 1 and count 2. Same with other side. And 1 and 2 and rock sideways and rock. Alright, after that add some body wave with your head and with your chest like this and 1 2 1 2. Alright, like this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and side rock, wave and 4. Now we'll add some hand movements. Just imagine you are pulling any rope like this and pull and pull and 1 and 2. After that it will be and 3 and 4. One more time and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we'll do all step together and out, in, out, in, wave and point. One more time and left, pull, right, pull, go on your right and right, left, go on left and left, right, go on right. Now try fast. So this was our window step. So it will be our second step named BIZ, MARKEY. For this step stand in this wide angle and hop sideways and hop, bounce and hop, bounce and hop. Alright, it looks like this 1 and 2. Now do little practice 2 3 4 5 6. Alright, now we'll add body groove. Just do rock, diagonal and front, diagonal and front. Now we'll do with hop and 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. It will be our hand movements 1 and 2 and double punch and single punch. Now we'll do with all step together and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now a little fast and practice. You can try this variation too. Just stand in diagonal angle and jump backwards and rock your hip backwards like this. Same with other side. Hop, rock and hop, rock. It will be look like this. 1 2 3 4 and add same hand movements like this. 1 and 2 3 and 4. Now little fast. So this was our today's lesson. We will meet on our next lesson. Till then, keep dancing. Bye.